Welcome. This is a short preview from one of our guided hypnosis sessions, created to help you relax, release tension, and gently restore inner calm.
Chapter 1: Boost your mood. Do you feel like trying a little refreshing experience? That's good. You know that famous saying from a well-known writer who once said, "My brothers, my sisters, truly I tell you, happy are the cracked ones, for they let the light through." Do you feel like you're missing some light? Then settle yourself comfortably right in the middle of this moment. One day, a child, maybe 10 years old, went to see that slightly eccentric man and said, "You know, my father says you're completely illuminated. He didn't really want me to come see you." But I thought, when I'm lost in the dark, an illuminated one might help light my way. Of course, that can make us smile or reflect, the innocence of a child who knows the truth. As if sometimes we shouldn't think too hard, just absorb the light. So now, quietly, simply, take a few deep breaths. Let's say 7 long, nourishing breaths. And as you breathe, you can also hear the music, breathing it in almost as if your whole being absorbs it. Play with this if you like, letting your attention rest on the music. Allow your imagination to create soundscapes or images that the notes awaken in you. Now take another deep, full breath, and to stay balanced, steady in your seat, You might imagine your body becoming heavier, with each breath rooting itself. Not heavy in a bad way, but like a tree rooting deep into the earth. Perhaps you've already done this many times, sometimes knowingly, sometimes without knowing. And let sensations swirl around you, maybe even within you. The feeling that rises at the beginning of this very special experience. Let words and notes transform themselves, becoming something more. It's just imagination, a simple exercise, and yet magic happens inside you. And like an old reflex, a doorway opens, a passage toward freedom, a thread of light. Revealing, just at a distance, something calling, attractive, inviting. Perhaps it's a landscape, perhaps a space where time no longer exists. Maybe you see colors shimmering, 1,000 sparks of light guiding your way. Perhaps you hear silence itself, a hidden treasure at the heart of all things. Or maybe it's the voice of a deeper, wider self, gently calling you closer. There is nothing to do, nothing to force. Just allow your mind to expand. Memories may arise, sensations from the past, curious impressions of the future as well.
This was a short preview from one of our guided hypnosis sessions. You can listen to the full session by following the links in the description. If you enjoyed this experience, consider subscribing for more calm and sleep sessions. Take a moment now to relax and allow calm to settle naturally. Be well.